Go visit the snow, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Who thinks freezing is fun? Hey, eyes on me. Because I can see them drooping. Don't do the whole, the snow feels warm routine with me, alright? I will drag your ass back if I have to. Don't test me. Oh, why the fuck would I be worried? What's there to be worried about when we're in the middle of some snow-covered forest with barely any reception and no idea how we're gonna get back? Of course it's sarcasm. Jesus, did you hit your head when you tripped? You did. Look at me. Let me see those eyes. Damn, your pupils are dilated. That's... Okay. We need to get out of here. Find somewhere to warm up. There was a cave back there. It was a shallow cave. Besides, there are no bears here, dummy. Not in this part of the country. Hey, can you walk? Hey! All right, come here. What does it look like? I'm giving you a ride. Get on my back. Gotta do everything myself. Ugh. All right, let's go. You stay awake, all right? No nap time. Got it? Hey, I said no nap time. Tell me a story. I don't care. Anything. Yeah, that one. Damn it. Go ahead and tell me that one. Well, that's not true and you know it. Hey, keep talking. What do you mean by that, huh? What do you mean I'm mean? You know I tease you because I love you. I do love you. Hey, listen to me. I love you, okay? More than anything. You think I'm just carrying you in the middle of a snow-covered forest just because? Shit. Hey. Keep talking to me. Please keep talking. Anything. Tell me about that cat. Yeah, that one. Tell me that story. I know, just a little bit longer. I can see the cave. No, keep talking. Hey, don't go limp on me. Damn it. Hey, don't do this. Don't sleep now. You can't sleep now. Eyes open. Wake up. There you are. Hey, you're back. You're okay. Hang in there. No, it's okay. No, I'm not mad at you. I'm scared, okay? Yeah, you finally scared me. See? You can't go to sleep. Gotta gloat, right? Hold it over my head. Exactly. I'm scared because I'm so madly in love with you. And I don't want you going somewhere that I can't follow, all right? Look at me. I'm sorry. I don't think before I speak. The feelings thing is hard for me. But I love you. I've always loved you. So don't you dare think of checking out on me, all right? We need to start a fire. Shit. Hey, you need to stay awake, okay? Can you do that for me, please? Okay, I'll be quick. Hold on, I've got a match here somewhere. Yeah, well, I bet you're glad I overpacked now. Okay, come here. Easy. We gotta get you out of these wet clothes. Well, I'm afraid modesty is not gonna cut it. Besides, it's not like I've never seen you in your underwear before. Oh, Jesus, you're frozen. Hey. Don't even think about sleeping. Because you've got a head injury and you're frozen. Sleeping is a very bad idea. Help is coming. Someone has to have noticed we're gone by now and called for help. Besides, I think I managed to get a call out before the signal jammed. So, look, we just need to warm up and hang in there. I know you are. And you can sleep later, I promise. Look, I'm not a doctor yet, but anyone can tell you're not in a good state. Yeah, all those late nights studying do pay off. Love. Because I do love you. You know that I do. I'm sorry if I made you feel like I didn't. That was never my intention. I just... Damn it, you've always been able to get me like this. I love you. I know I don't express that as well as I could, but it's true. I love you. Only you. So if you die on me right now, I'm going to have to drag you back to yell at you. I will, though. So, eyes open. Get closer to the fire. Don't want to get sick now either. The clothes will dry and then we can put them back on. Oh, Jesus, you're shaking. Come here. It's friction. It'll help generate some heat. Don't fade out on me. I am worried. Well, I'm glad you find this amusing. No, I don't care. As long as you stay with me, make fun of me all you want. Just keep talking. Doesn't matter. Anything. Everything. Just talk. Please. Yeah? What made you think of that? No, I remember. That crappy car of yours. I thought it was going to blow up in the parking lot. Exactly. Smoke everywhere. No, none of that. Because you're going to be fine. I know I'm not a doctor yet, but I'll be damned if you leave me like this. Keep talking. Come on. I'm here with you, and I'm not leaving you. Shh. Don't talk like that. Because we are getting out of this. I promise. Hey, did you hear that? Help is almost here. Love? Hey, no, don't do this. Don't do this, no. Wake up. Wake up right now, damn it. Here, we're in here. I'm fine. It's them. They fell and hit their head. Love, open your eyes. Are they gonna be okay? No, I'm fine. Look at them. They need help. Hey, don't you dare leave. You're awake. They tried. I refused. Because why would I need to be anywhere but here right now? Hey, I said I'm fine. Focus on you. You had a concussion, mild hypothermia, dehydration. You're in a rough spot. I've been treated, okay? I'm good. Yeah, well, the bags under my eyes are from you, dummy. I'm sorry. I was scared. Yeah, really scared. I didn't want to let you out of my sight. Those few hours they treated me were torture. So yeah, I signed out AMA as soon as I could. lecture me later. Just let me be here with you. You said something back then? That I was mean to you, that you didn't know where I stood with you. No, I do need to talk about it. I need to tell you. You're the most important thing to me. Period. And I'm not good with the words thing, but I will try to show you every single day just how important you are to me. I love you, okay? Is that clear enough for you? Good. No. Because you still have a concussion. Doc wants to monitor you. Well, I'm not a doctor yet. Just stay put. Please. I love you too. No, definitely not. I'm thinking the beach. Exactly. Warm and sunny. No, love. No more snow ever again. Now get some rest. Doc will be here soon. 'Cause you're yawning and you need to sleep. Don't argue with me. You know I'm right. Go to sleep, love.